Thanks everyone. Thanks leaders for setting this stage for the sensitive topic decarbonization. As we all are aware, decarbonization is one of the buzzword which we use in the industry, at least for the last 3 to 5 years. Okay. The topic which I would like to take here is electrification. Electrification is one of the lever of decarbonization, which is the need for the industry today. As we all are aware, most of the process within the hydrocarbon industry or the petrochemical industries or the chemical processing requires heating. And traditionally, all this happens with fossil fuel-based heating for years and years together. Now, it's a high time, and paradigm shift in a mindset to move towards a clean and a sustainable process, how efficient it can be done by converting those into electric. Okay, it's all about mindset, I would say. Like, how many of us before 20 years were reluctant to use phones, mobile phones, right? Today, we cannot see anyone without mobile phone in our hands. The same with the use of the computers. We were reluctant at some point of time. Today, there is no life without that. It's the same thing which is applicable for the electrification and decarbonization stuff. Okay. There are certain aspects, there are certain bottlenecks. When it comes to the brownfield jobs, there are certain challenges with respect to the infrastructure or the facilities which is there in the current plant. But once we do some minor upgrades, then it makes a lot of sense. As the moderator was telling, even 1% energy efficiency of the overall plant matters a lot when it comes to the profitability or when it comes to the bottom line. On top of all these things, now what comes is a regulatory pressure. The carbon tax credits. More than carbon tax credits, it is going to be the penalty which is going to be applicable. And not least is, okay, when somebody buys the product, they are asking a question. Are you making this product from a facility which is carbon neutral free? That kind of pressure is coming globally from. And at some point of time, any industry for that matter, it's not only for process industry, be it an automobile manufacturing facility, or be it a hydrocarbon industry, or be it a glass, green, a steel, cement, whatever it is. People are talking about the sustainability. Okay. So this is becoming a need of an hour to think about it, and then it's really becoming vital to start something small, then see how it performs, and then we can go on a bigger scale. That's where it starts with. Okay. But not least is, there are many sweet spots in the industry to address this. But at the same time, grid power, using a grid power is again a challenge. I cannot say that in my process plant, okay, I will change anything to electrification and I use the grid power. On the other side, I'm loading the grid with a lot of coals and the carbon emissions. So it's a balance between how do I use energy with green energy so that in scope 1 and scope 2 emissions, my industry will get certified for carbon credits.